Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday, day 29 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
And we're back with another project. We actually need to plant more seeds.
Yep, round two.
So we thought we'd show you what we're doing today and how we're, basically the prep work before we plant the seeds.
So here we go. So everybody, here we are, round two of planting seeds. You can see we've got our trays laid out here and we've got them on a tarp because we're going to fill them with potting soil, with seed starter soil, and we don't want to get it all over the gravel that it's over right now. So you can see we've got our little trays here.
So you can see we brought these long trays. We have 10 of them laid out and we filled them with individual seed trays. And like Sean said, our next step is going to be to fill them with potting soil. Here we go. We're going to start with Espoma Organic Seed Starter, which we love this stuff.
So here's some of the soil, some of the good stuff. So this is really good to start seeds with, and this is what we're going to fill the trays with.
Yep.
So here we go. You can see that we've got the trays really close together, and that's because when we do this, we want to be efficient and we don't want to put any soil on the ground. So we put all the trays together as close as we can, and that way most of, or if not all of the soil gets into those trays. Saw in the video, we took some of the excess soil off. We actually overloaded. Well, it ended up being actually a whole extra bag that we overloaded, but you don't know until you get everything filled up. So keep that in mind. It's okay. Like you saw us, we had extra soil, so we just kind of raked it off a little bit, just moved it into piles and put it back in one of the bags. No big deal. So just something to think about.
So what are you going to do next?
Next, we are going to stack these trays, and we're going to walk them in to the greenhouse. And then what we're going to do is we're going to water them and get them prepped for seed planting. And it's always a good idea to wet the soil and get that soil either settled or at least wet before you put the seed down, because then you'll have moisture on both sides of the seed and around the seed after they're planted, and they're buried a little bit more and they're watered in with the final water.
And while Sean's getting those set up, I wanted to show you guys our really cool seed organizers. We bought these this year and we're loving them. You might have seen them on our Instagram page because we showed them a lot. We love them. The next step is for us to figure out exactly what we need to plant next. Probably more flowers than, we kind of divided these into vegetables versus flowers. And by the way, we actually need more of these. It would be fun to separate these into spring and fall or summer. Or today, I think we're gonna probably plant our moon garden. There's a bunch of different types of seeds in here. As you can see, that came as one pack from Botanical Interests. So that's super fun. We need to do our snapdragon, our salvia, nasturtiums, marigolds. We'll probably plant our sunflowers today. We haven't done that yet. All of these seeds have already been started. So we're kind of on this row right now. So yeah, pretty fun. Oh, and we're going to link these organizers because we're so excited about them and we feel that you really need these in your life. Organizers, the soil and the seed trays we used, we're going to link down below in our description.
So everybody, that's how we're prepping for our round two of seeds. If you have any questions, let us know down below, and definitely hit that thumbs up button. Let us know if we're doing a good job or not. And make sure to subscribe so you get updates on our newest videos.
Right. And we'll be back tomorrow on Wednesday, day 30.
Day 30, here we come.
See you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.
Have a great day, everybody.